Hello everyone and welcome back to Rising Engineer 2020. To our viewers in Rwanda, the United States and around the world, thank you for being part of this journey. As we begin this new year, we just want to say thank you for supporting this platform since the very beginning, for watching, sharing, commenting, and believing in the power of engineering, environment, and development in Africa. Today, we are taking you inside one of Kigali's most important environmental projects, the revival of Gikondo Nyabugogo marshlands. Kigali is known as one of the cleanest cities in Africa, but that cleanliness comes with a challenge. When it rains, water flows fast from roads, roofs, and paved surfaces. This runoff carries mud, plastics, oils, and debris into rivers and wetlands. All of that ends up in channels, which then feeds into the Nyabugogo wetlands, causing flooding, pollution, and damage to fragile ecosystems. For years, this area was overwhelmed, but today, that story is changing. At the heart of this wetland revival is a smart engineering system designed to clean stormwater before it reaches the rivers. Here is how it works. First, runoff from Kigali is channeled into special drainage pathways. These are not ordinary channels. They are equipped with screening systems. These screens, built using stones, steel wire, and gabions, trap plastics, trash, and heavy sediments while allowing water to pass through. In some areas, the landscape is designed with depressions that temporarily hold water. Across these zones, walkways are built, but underneath them, water is allowed to flow freely. These structures slow the water, filter it, and remove dirty before it continues downstream. After every heavy storm, these screens are cleaned by maintenance teams, ensuring the system keeps working. This is not just drainage, this is urban water treatment in action. Once the water passes through the screening systems, it flows into artificial lakes created inside the wetland. These lakes serve an important purpose. They allow the water to slow down and settle. Mud sinks to the bottom, cleaner water rises to the top. Natural grasses, plants, and wetland vegetation then continue the cleaning process, acting as living filters. By the time the water leaves these lakes, it is much clearer, safer for wildlife, and less harmful to downstream rivers. This is how engineering and nature are working together to protect Kigali. During our visit, we saw clean roads feeding runoff into channels, screening systems capturing garbage, heavy machines creating new lakes, workers cleaning bridges, and restored wetland areas full of life. This is real environmental infrastructure at work. Gikondo Nyabugogo Wetland Revival is not just about water. It is about protecting Kigali, restoring nature, and building resilience for the future. A million thanks once again for our amazing Rising Engineer 2020 community for your continued support. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In our next video, we will show you more from inside this project, including how heavy machines are shaping Kigali's new artificial lakes. Until then, be safe. This is Rising Engineer 2020, where infrastructure meets the future.